Hello, it's Sam again, and today I'm going to teach you how to combine values of cells. Let's say, for example, I got first name and last name, and I want to combine them. There's two functions that I can use, the concat and concatenate. Concatenate is way better than concat, but let me show you first. So I'm going to hit equal concat, and then I'm going to select the first value, which is Jack, the second value, last name Smith, and that's it. Now when I hit enter, you see like how it says Jack Smith with no space. So what you want to do is use concatenate. So concatenate, you can add strings, like for example, I'm gonna hit first on Jack and then comma. Now I want to put a space. So what I'm gonna do is hit quotation mark space quotation mark comma, and then I'm gonna select the last name, and now I'm gonna close the parentheses, and now I have Jack Smith. Now, let's say I want to combine a zip code and address. What I'm going to do is hit equal concatenate, press tab. So I'm going to click on the address first, then comma, quotation mark, space, comma, quotation mark, comma. Now I'm going to select the zip code, and now I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter. Now as you can see, let me just make it a little bit better. Now as you can see, there's a separation with a comma. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.